Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, in this particular video, I will be discussing two latest Accenture interview experience. These both interviews happened yesterday only, that is on 30th November 2024, and both the interviews belong to the 2025 batch students, and these interviews were on campus. Okay, so guys, make sure that you're watching this video till the end because lot of questions in Accenture specifically do get repeated in the interviews. Okay, so if you have your upcoming interviews in a week or so, then this video can be very much useful for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Guys, before moving ahead, on our channel Code Bashers, we regularly post videos about different companies, whether it is related to any coding videos or any interview experience videos for different companies. We continuously post on this channel. So if you want to stay updated about different companies, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the uh, bell icon. Okay, and you can also join our Telegram group. Okay, this Telegram group is dedicated for 2025 batch students. Okay, lot of discussion regarding different companies are happening here. The link you can find in the description box or in the pinned comment. So make sure to join this also. So guys, now let's start this video. Before starting the video, please hit that like button. Okay, so guys, first let's just discuss the first interview experience and then the second one. So first question will be very much straightforward, that is introduce yourself. In this particular question, you can tell about your skills, your education background, your extracurricular activities, your internships, your projects, any achievements that you have. All these things you can include in this particular answer. Okay. So I hope this question is clear to you. It's very important. Okay. Next question is, have you done any team projects? So again, I have told you that whenever you are like giving the interviews for any IT company, try to make at least two projects in the resume. Try to mention at least two projects in the resume. Okay. So any of them, your projects can be individual also and your team projects also. If you have done, then you can say yes. If you have done individual projects, you can mention them. No issues here. Okay. Next question is, tell me about the project. So again, you have mentioned the projects in resume. Pick anyone, any project, and try start explaining that project. How to explain project in your project in the interview? What questions commonly asked questions from the project? So for that, I have made a dedicated video on this channel only. I will give you that video link in the I button as well as in the description box. Make sure to watch that. You will get a fair amount of idea how to explain your project in the interview. Okay. Moving towards the next question is, what was your role in your project? So if it is a team project, then yes, there will be a certain feature that you will be building. Okay, so you can tell to that for the interview. And if you have made an individual project, then again the entire project you will have to explain here. Okay, what was your role? Next is, what are the key learnings of the project? So whenever we are doing any project, what are the key learnings from it? Okay, how we manage things, how we break the big thing into small pieces. So all these type of things can be a key learning part of the project. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next is, what difficulties you face during the project. Again, let's suppose you have a machine learning project. There is a big data set, how to load it. It's very time consuming to run the model again and again. So all these type of are the difficulties. How you will solve those difficulties? You can solve by like reducing the data set or like cleaning out the data set, like removing the noise from the actual data. So this is how you can like resolve these difficulties. So I hope now this question is clear to you. Okay. Next question of this interview was, have you ever been unsuccessful? So see, now you are around the age of what, 21, 22. So there will be many scenarios like wherein you tried something and you did not succeed. So pick up any one or two scenarios from your life and just try to explain them. Okay. See, the more honest answer you will give to the interviewer, the more interview will be on the good side. Okay, on the better side, because there will be, if there will be cross questions, then you will be able to answer it because your answer was honest. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. Now, before moving ahead, okay, in this interview, so I would like you to know that on our top mid page of Code Bashers, what we have important interview IT subject notes, this one. So once you will open this important interview IT subject notes, so here total 12 subjects we are covering. Okay, we are providing the notes for total 12 subjects. So in these notes, 12 PDFs will be there, each corresponding to each subject. Okay, so if I will show you, let's suppose, see here, managerial questions are also there, which are commonly asked in the interviews. Like in Accenture, lot of the interview is mainly around the managerial part. Okay, so see, here we have given you the question and we have given you the sample answer also. Similarly, if I will open the Java PDF, so you can see here we have given the question, we have given the answer, and we have given the sample code also, so that your uh, so that the things can become clear to you. So total 12 subjects, and for every subject, everything that is mentioned here, managerial questions also, HR questions also, operating system also. So we have given around 20 to 25 important questions and their answers with that subject. So once you buy these notes, you will get 12 PDFs. Each PDF will be corresponding to these subjects, and each PDF will contain at least 20 to 25 important interview questions for that subject as well as the answers also. Okay, so it is at a very nominal price of rupees 109, and the access is also lifetime for these notes. Okay, if you are interested, okay, so these notes can be helpful for you for preparing for your interviews, for your last minute preparations, for revising your concepts, for all these things. These notes can be helpful for you. Okay, if you are interested, the links you can find in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Okay, so yeah, till now total 1650 students have bought it, and you can see the rating is also very good, 4.2 out of 5. So links you can find in the description box. Now moving towards the next question of this interview was, why do you want to join Accenture? This question is asked in every company. Why do you want to join TCS, Infosys, Accenture? So everything you can just copy paste. Okay, if you are prepared. Next is, what is the name of CEO of Accenture? So yeah, this type of question can also be asked. So be aware of them. Next is, do you know how many employees currently work in Accenture? So yeah, there is around 2 lakh employees working in Accenture. So yeah, you can cross check also, and you can tell to the interviewer. Okay, basic idea about Accenture, any company that you are giving, you should have. Okay. Next question from this interview was, apart from studies, have you done anything for the society? So again, based on your real life experience, give an honest answer. If yes, then yes. In college, I remember there was one, I think, a drive for cleanliness for every college that happens. So yeah, for if you have taken part in that, you can tell to the interviewer. Next is, what was your least favorite subject in college and why? So again, it's based on your honest opinion. Next question is, do you ever face any problems with your team members? So if you have made a project in team members, what were the challenges faced in the team? So any scenarios like difficulty to manage, difficulty to integrate, like roles were not divided correctly. So all these type of problems you can explain to the interviewer, and it will be a good answer. Okay. Next and last question of this interview was, any questions for me? So guys, see, in Accenture there is a non-technical type of interviews. Okay, but I have seen some scenarios also where the technical questions are also asked in Accenture. But be prepared for everything. Okay, anything can be asked from you since it is an interview. It depends on interviewer. So I hope now this interview experience is clear to you. If you are finding this video helpful till here, and if you have not hit that like and subscribe button, do just do it now. Okay, and do join this Telegram group also. It is for dedicated 2025 batch students. Now let's move towards the second interview experience. Okay, and before that, I have already told you, if you are interested in important interview IT subject notes, you can check the links in the I button or in the description box. Okay, let's just move to the second interview experience. Again, the same question, introduce yourself. I have already told you, but you have to answer. Next is, what are the projects and which you did in college? Again, explain every project that you have done. Try to mention at least 2 projects in the resume. Next is, tell me about your college group project. So again, you can see here in both these interviews, the main focus was on the team projects. Okay, you have your mini project, you have your minor, major also. So all these are team related projects. So you can explain those in here. Okay, it's not necessary that you will include all the minor and major projects also in your resume, but out of your resume also you can tell the projects that they have asked. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Next is, describe difficulties faced during the group project. Again, the same question. So most of the questions, see, gets repeated from the previous interviews also. So therefore, I was saying that watch this video till the end, because lot of questions that are asked here can also be repeated in your interviews also. And generally, the interview is from 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Next is, what is the difference you have faced during a group project and an individual development project? So again, a very good question. Okay, pros and cons, you should tell about both these things. Like in individual development projects, you have the entire liberty to do anything. Okay, but in team project, you have to like follow a set of rules and follow a set of like uh, steps to get your feature ready. So anything that you face, you can tell to the interviewer. Next is, what was your role during the project? So again, same questions. Next is, do you have any questions to ask to me? So whenever this question is asked, try to ask 2 to 3 questions from the interviewer. You can ask, what will be my role, what will be technology stack I will be working on, what kind of project are there in Accenture currently going on, which area of technology currently Accenture is focusing on. So all these type of questions you can ask to the interviewer and he will be happy to answer it. So in both the interview experiences, we have seen that a lot of questions got repeated and same scenario can happen from your side also. So if you found this video informative, do hit that like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel if you have not done it till now. And if you're interested in these IT subject notes, these notes are not only valid for Accenture but for all the companies listed here. Okay, for all these companies, the subjects and the important questions remain same. Just we have clubbed them into a single place and we have given to you. Okay, if you're interested for your last minute preparation, for preparing for interviews, for revising your concepts, these notes can be beneficial for you. The links are in the description box as well as in the pinned comment, and it's at a very nominal price of rupees 109, and the access is for lifetime. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you for watching this.